Understanding Reloved Items, a guide to sustainable choices. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting and increasingly popular phrase in English, reloved items. This term is not only unique but also carries significant meaning in our contemporary world. Let's explore what it means and why it's important. Reloved items refers to objects that have been previously owned and used by someone else, but are now finding a new home. These can be clothes, furniture, books, or any other item that is being reused instead of being discarded. The term emphasizes a positive approach to secondhand goods, highlighting their value and potential for a second life. The concept of reloved items is crucial in the context of sustainability and environmental responsibility. By choosing reloved items, we reduce waste, save resources, and lessen the demand for new products. This practice supports a more sustainable lifestyle and promotes a circular economy, where items are used for as long as possible. In everyday English, reloved is a relatively new term but is becoming more common, especially in conversations about sustainability and thrift shopping. You might hear it in sentences like, "I found this reloved dress at a thrift store," indicating that the item is secondhand but still valued. The rise of the reloved items movement reflects a cultural shift towards mindful consumption. It's part of a broader trend where people are looking to make ethical, environmentally friendly choices. This term is often used in social media, online marketplaces, and eco-friendly communities to promote the reuse of items. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and significance of reloved items. It's a beautiful term that encourages us to rethink our consumer habits and make choices that are kinder to our planet. Keep exploring and using English to discuss important topics like this. See you in the next video.